all my dear champions, class 10th titans. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing well. You all are fit and fine and you all are enjoying your lives. And of course, undoubtedly, you must be studying very hard for your board exam champions. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys real numbers. I'm not going to teach you anything. Basically, I'm going to solve questions for you all. Lot of questions, and all the questions will be competency-based questions from chapter number 1, real numbers. So guys, please join everyone quickly and do let me know everything is fixed there. You can hear me, I'm audible to you all, and I'm visible to you all, everyone. Yes, I hope live has streamed well and you all can hear me. So dear all class 10 champions, dear all class 10th titans, join quickly, come on. I will be waiting for a little while, 2 minutes, for all the students to join so that I could start this session with full, hi everyone. Join quickly everyone. This class, this session, this live session is going to be very important for all the class 10th champions, because after a few days, after a few months, after hardly 15 days or 20 days, you will be writing your half-yearly exam, and this chapter will be there, obviously, real numbers. Very important. So the questions that I have brought up here in this live session, very important questions, because most probably you guys will get these questions in your half-yearly exam as well as in your pre-board exams. So join quickly everyone. Am I audible to you all? Can you hear me everyone? Yes. Join fast. Hi everyone, class 10th titans. Hello everyone, champions. So I know you guys are preparing for your board exams, and you all know in board exams there will be 40% to 50% questions competency based, right? So along with NCERT exercise questions, you guys need to focus on competency based questions also, right? So that's why I have brought up here the first live session solving all the competency based questions from the chapter number 1, real numbers. Hello everyone. Okay, thank you so much Karthik, thank you so much. Hi. Okay, so let's start with section number section A, and section A contain all the MCQ questions which will give you 1 mark each. So look at the question number 1. Question number 1 is, if two positive integers a is equal to x cube y square and b is equal to xy cube, then where x and y are prime numbers, then what will be HCF? Very easy question, yaar. Listen, if a is given to you, here a is given to you, a is equal to x cube y square, right? And b is equal to here x y cube, right? And we have to find out here HCF. What will be the HCF? Do you know HCF? What is HCF? HCF is the product of a smallest power common factor. The smallest power common factor. So my dear champions, if we calculate here HCF, so let's talk about first x. X is common, x is present in both, but we are calculating here HCF. So for HCF we have to always take least, smallest power. So in x cube and x, which will be considered x, because we are finding here HCF, and for HCF always take the smallest power. Now this is y square and this is y cube, so which will be carrying forward, which will be considered y square, because in y square y cube, y square the smallest power, so into y square, oh my god, HCF is ready, xy square is the HCF. Any option is there? Xy square, option number B will be correct. Now my dear students, if I ask you here LCM, what will be LCM? So for LCM, we always do the product of common factor but greatest power. Common factor with greatest power. So x is common, but which is the greatest power? X cube is the greatest power, so x cube will be carrying forward. Now in y is common factor because y is present in both. but we have to take the greatest power. So in y square y cube is the greatest power. So this will be the LCM. Yes, my dear champions. So for HCF, always take the smallest power common factor. For LCM, always take the highest power, just opposite. For highest common factor, take a smallest power. For lowest common multiple, take highest power, just opposite. Clear everyone? Let me write here. What is HCF? It is the product of lowest power common factor. Lowest power common factor. Right everyone? If I talk about LCM, what is LCM? LCM is also the product of highest power. Please keep it in mind. Product of highest power common factor. Product of highest power common factor. This is very important. I hope this is clear to you all, dear champions. Clear everyone? So to find out HCF, always take the least power, but to find out LCM, always take the highest power common factor. Clear everyone? Is it clear to all? Moving ahead to the next question. Okay, now next question. Yes. Next question, question number 2. Yes, look at question number 2. Which option will be correct here? Question number 2. Yes, dear class 10 champions, tell me which option will be correct here. This is also MCQ. 4 options are given to you. Question is given there. 4 options are given to you. Tell me which option will be correct. Yes, class 10th. 4 options are given here. My dear class 10 students, these type of questions generally ask teachers in the exam. Leo is writing option number C, 18. Okay, Leo, just wait a little while. I am waiting for the others response. Yes, everyone, please respond. Leo is giving 18 as answer. I am waiting for others response. Okay, so now I am solving the question here. The LCM of the smallest prime number. Okay, smallest prime number and the smallest odd composite number. Smallest odd composite number. Okay, very good. Very interesting question. So basically, we have to find out the LCM between a smallest prime number. Do you know a smallest prime number? What is the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number is 2. Yes, champions. The smallest prime number is 2. And the smallest odd composite number. Do you know composite number? The number which is having more than 2 factors. Apart from 1 in itself, the numbers which have more than 2 factors other than 1 in itself, such numbers are called composite numbers, right? So first composite number starts from 4. 4 is the first composite number because 4 can be divided by 1, 4 can be divided by 4 itself, and 4 can be divided by 2 also. So 4 has 3 factors. That's why 4 is the first composite number. But here question is asking first odd composite number. Odd number, you know, the numbers which cannot be divided by 2. The numbers which can't be divided by 2, but it should be a composite number. So my dear, 9 is the first odd composite number. 9 is the first odd composite number. So you have a smallest prime number 2, you have a smallest odd composite number 9. So let's say A is 2 and B is 9, and we have to find out LCM. So my dear champion, 2 can be written as 2 into 1 and 9 can be written as 3 into 1. Right? Now to find LCM. So to calculate LCM, what we used to do? We take highest power of common factor. Highest power of common factor. Now listen. 2 is present in factor of A. 2 is present in factor of A, but 2 is not present in factor of 9. So my dear, we can write 2 to power 0. This is the method. 3 is present in factor of 9, but 3 is not present in factor of 2. So we can write that 3 to power 0. By writing this, you guys can take common values comfortably. Now to find LCM, we take highest power of common factor. So if we take 2 to power 1, 2 to power 0, so which will be taken? 2 to power 1 will be taken, because 2 to power 1 is the highest. Now if we take 3 to power 0, and this is 3 to power 2, it can be written as 3 square. So which will be taken? 3 to power 2, because we are calculating here LCM, 3 to power 2. Right, everyone? So to calculate LCM, to find LCM, always take the highest power common factor, highest power. So 3 to power 0, 3 to power 2, 3 to power 2 will come. Now solve this. 3 square means 9, and 9 to 18. So the answer is 18. Answer is 18. Option number C will be correct. Yes, Leo, you are correct there. Very good, Leo. All the very best. I hope this is clear to you all. Listen, I am giving you a short trick. If 2 is present in prime factor of first number and 2 is not present in prime factor of second number, my dear champion, you can put 2 to power 0. If any number is present in prime factor of first, but that number is not present in second, so you can put 2 to power 0, 3 to power 0. Because 3 to power 0 is equal to 1, 2 to power 0 is equal to 1. So indirectly, no impact will be there on the entire prime factorization. No impact will be there, because taking any number to power 0 is equal to 1. So there is no any problem with taking the number with 0 power. No problem is there. So 18 is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Okay. Yes, everyone, class 10th, which option will be correct? Lot of students are watching the live session. Yes, please tell me which option will be correct here now. Very simple question. Okay, sir. Hi Bhavan. Okay. Which option will be correct? Again, 4 options are given to you, and HCF, A and B are 2 integers. Their HCF is given to you, and the product of numbers is given to you. And we have to find out what will be the LCM. Do you know? There is a special formula. There is very special formula. The product of any number itself, the product of number themselves is equal to the product of their LCM and the product of their HCF. This is very magical formula. If you select any 2 numbers, so the product of number themselves is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. Right, everyone? Now look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 families are there. 4 persons are there. So any 3 information will be given to you, and you have to calculate the 4th one. So look at the question. In this question, HCF is equal to 12. So it is given to you. This is given to you. We don't know LCM. It is given to you 12. And the product of numbers, the product of number is equal to 1800, which is given to you. And we have to calculate LCM. 12 is in multiplication. So if 12 will come this side, 12 will be dividing 1800. So LCM will be equal to 1800 divided by 12. Now divide. So this 6 to ja 12, and this is 900 to ja what? 18. Now 6 can directly cancel whole. So 6 1 ja 6. 6 1 ja 6, 3 6 5 ja, and this is 5. So LCM here, LCM is equal to 150. This is the answer. Any option is there? Option number A will be correct. Sir, 150 is correct. Yes, Bhavan is correct here, and one more student is correct there. I don't know your name, buddy. Yeah, Bijik, something is written there. Yeah, Bijik is correct there, and perfect. Hi, Rohan. Hi. So yes, 150 is the correct answer. My dear class 10 students, this is very important formula. This is teacher's favorite formula in real numbers. Even CBSE loves this formula a lot. This formula, the product of number themselves is equal to the product of their HCF and their LCM. So I'm marking here 5 stars. Even 5 star is less for this formula. 5 stars. This is very important formula. The product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of number itself. Moving to the next question. Okay. Question number 4. Yes, question number 4, class 10th Titans. And guys, if you haven't hit the like button of this live session, please go and hit the like button. Come on, do this first. Do this first, everyone. Hit the like button of the live session. Come on, do this. And these are very important questions. Teacher's favorite question, guys. I would say yes. Teacher's favorite question. Every maths teachers love these questions. Even your school teacher, even your whatever tuition teachers, all the teachers common questions I'm discussing here. So go and hit the like button, everyone. Do this first. Okay, look at the question. The exponent of 5 in the prime factorization of 3750. Do you know prime factorization, everyone? What does it mean by prime factorization? For example, 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is called prime factorization. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, because 2 is a prime number. And 16 can be expressed in this format, so it can also be written as 2 to power 4. So this is called prime factorization. But 16 is very small number, so we can write without taking LCM, without doing the mathematical calculation. But here 3750 is a big number. It's a big number, so we can't write the prime factorization directly. So what we need? We required LCM. We have to take LCM to write the prime factorization. Okay, so let me do here. The student who is responding here, someone is writing, sir, b is equal to 4. Mahesh, hi Mahesh. And Bhavan is writing, okay. Just wait, Bhavan, please, 2 minutes. Okay, so take LCM, 3750. The student who don't know how to do prime factorization, please focus here, everyone. The student who don't know how to do prime factorization, please focus, champions, please focus. So the ones digit is 0, so it is clear that it can be divided by 2. So I am taking 2 here, so 2 1 ja 2, 1 2 8 ja 16, 1 0, 2 7 ja and 2 5 ja 10. And the ones digit is 5, so it can be divided by, so let's check it by 3, 3 5 ja 3 6 ja 18, 3 2 ja, 3 can be divided this, so 3 6 ja 18 and 3 6 ja 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja. Now we have 6 to 5, so it can be divided by 5, so 125 will come. Now we can take here 5 again, so 25 will come. Now we can take 5 again, so 5 will come. Now we can take 5 again, so 1 is come. Now LCM has ended up, because this is, now 3750 can be written as 2 into 3 into, and how many 5s? 1 2 3 4, so 5 to power 4. And what is the question, champions? What is the question? What is the exponent of 5? So the exponent of 5 is what? 4. That 4 is the exponent, so this is the answer. Whose answer is correct here? Wow, Bhavan is correct here. Aditya is correct there. Aditya, hi Aditya, hi sir. Mahatma Gandhi, Naman Mahatma Gandhi. You're all freedom fighters are coming in my live session. Great. Very good. Ansh is there. I'm feeling so privileged that I'm teaching Mahatma Gandhi there. Wow. Oh my God. Okay. So, I hope this is clear to you, everyone, class champions. Yes, tell me, guys. Class 10th warriors, tell me. Any problem is there in this question? Are you guys enjoying the session? If you are genuinely enjoying the session, do let me know in chat section. Give me thumbs up. Yes, sir, we all are enjoying the session. Come on, yaar, do this for me. Come on. I can't teach Mahatma Gandhi, by the way, bro. He is the legend. Okay. Aarti, hi Aarti. Okay, moving ahead to the next question. Look at the question number 5, everyone. I want to see the name of that student who respond me quickly for this question. Yes. Yes, everyone, please do it. Come on, yaar. Do this question. Which option will be correct? Hi, who is this Edit Minder? Sir, are you CBSE board teacher? Yes, my dear champions, I am CBSE, ICSE and IB board teacher. I teach every student. And by the way, let me tell you, if you are from any other board apart from CBSE or any board, my dear champion, the questions are common in maths. You don't need to worry about that. Real number chapter is present in every board. And these questions are common. The difference is language. Here we are teaching in English. The question will be there in your language. Chill, bro. Okay. Yes. Hi, Aarti. I have already taken your name, by the way. Ashish. Ashish is giving option number D. Aarti is giving option number A. Why this confusion is there? Aditya is writing option D. I'm waiting for others' response. Come on, yaar. Do this question quickly. Okay, let's do. Listen, everyone. Please listen. If P and Q are two co-prime numbers, do you know co-prime numbers? If you know co-prime numbers, so why you guys are responding option number D as correct answer? No, my dear champions. Yeah, LCM will be this. But if I ask you HCF, HCF will be 1. Yeah, but the question is LCM. So option number D is correct. Yes, the student who responded option number D, who is writing yes, why, bro, I'm begging to you, stop this. Why? Okay, so listen, champion, please listen, focus. First, understand the co-prime numbers. Listen, if I ask you, I have 5 a number and 7 is the second number. Come on everyone, please focus. Class 10th. 5 and 7, I have a pair of number 5 and 7. Now if I ask you, which number can divide both? I mean, is it possible that 5 and 7 can be divided by a number, common number? Not possible. 5 and 7 can't be divided by a same number. It can be divided by only one. 1 can divide 5 and 7 can divide by 5. 5 can be divided by 1 and 7 can be divided by 1. There is only one common factor, only one common factor, and which is equal to 1. So such pairs are called, this pair will be called as co-prime numbers. For example, 23 and 11. For example, 17 into 9. For example, 20, 20, 23, 23 and 5. All are co-prime numbers because these pairs are having only one common factor, which is 1. 1 can divide 23, 1 can divide 11. But one twist is there. If I ask you, so the HCF will be 1, okay, because they can be divided by 1. But if I ask you LCM, so my dear champion, for any co-prime number, LCM is the product of the number themselves. If I ask you what will be the LCM of 5 and 7, so the LCM will be 35, 5 into 7, because 5 and 7 are co-prime numbers. If I ask you what will be the LCM of 23 and 5, the LCM will be product of 23 and 5, multiplication of 23 and 5. Similarly, if P and Q are co-prime, so their HCF will be 1. And if I ask you LCM, what will be LCM? Come on, yeah, do the multiplication. So P and Q will be the LCM. Option number D will be correct. Who responded option number D? Mahatma Gandhi responded option number D. Wow. And Ashish responded option number D. Aditya responded option number D. Okay, only very few students responded option number D. My dear champions, please listen to me carefully. For co-prime numbers, LCM will be product of number themselves and HCF will be 1. Right? Okay. Moving ahead. Next question. 6 to power n, n a natural number, can never end with 0. This is confirmed because 6 to power n can be written as 2 into 3 to power n. So it will be 2 to power n into 3 to power n. 5 is not there. And if 5 is not there, 6 to power n never be end with 0. 5 should be there. Because you know the number which end with 0 can be divided by 2 as well as 5. So 5 should be there. But in prime factorization of 6 to power n, 5 is not there. So it can't be and with digit 0. It never end with digit 0. 5 should be there. So why it can't end with 0? Because its prime factorization contain no factor of 5. Option number B will be correct. Factor of 5 should be there. 5 should be there. If you want a number should end with 0, so 5 should be there in prime factors. Otherwise, the numbers can't be end with 0. Clear, everyone? Sir, I got 90% in 10th board. Superb, yaar, bro. What's your name, bro? I want to take your name in front of camera. Superb. Very good. Stay blessed. Yes. Is it clear, everyone? Because 6 to power n, if we factorize 6 to power n, 2 to power n and 3 to power n is 0. 5 is not there, 0. 5 is not there. And if 5 is not there, it indicates that 6 to power n can never be and with 0. 5 should be there. So this is the reason, no factor 5. Clear, everyone? Sir, I am writing D from minutes, but you announced my name. I am Aryan from 2025-26 batch. Aryan, stay blessed and keep this momentum on. My blessings are with you, and may you make them your parents proud in future. Mahatma Gandhi, Bapu, I'm begging to you, don't spam. Please, Bapu, don't spam. Aditya. Okay, clear everyone? Clear? Abhinav sir, I got 90% in boards. Superb, yaar, Abhinav. You guys are really awesome, yaar. Superb. It's great to see you guys, your performance. Sir, hello. After spamming, now you're saying hello. Okay, moving ahead to the next question. Look at the question number 7. Come on. Three bales tall at interval 9, 12 and 15 minutes. If they told together now, after how much time will they told together again? After how much time? Listen, champions. So we are looking forward to find the common time when they will be tolling again together. So we are looking for a number which can be divided by this, which can be divided by this, which can be divided by this, and that is equal to what? LCM. Yes, my dear champion, always make sure. The question is asking here, if they told together now, after how much time will they told together again? Together again. So we are looking a number, common number for all. And common number for all means the next number. And next number which is common, which is multiple, that is LCM. Next number which is common, that is LCM. Least common multiple. So let's find out the LCM. So 9, let's factorize 9. So 9 can be written as 3 square. 12 can be written as 2 square, 2 to 4 into 3. And 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Now do one thing, everyone. Do one thing. Please listen. 3 is present in prime factor of 1. First number, 3 is present in prime factor of second number, and 3 is present in prime factor of third number also. So we don't need to disturb 3. But if we look at 2, 2 is present here, but 2 is absent here. So we can mark 2 to power 0. Why I am writing? So that we can take common comfortably. And here also 2 to power 0. And one more thing, 5 is present in prime factor of third number, but 5 is absent here, so we can write 5 to power 0 and we can write 5 to power 0, just for our comfortability. When you become ultra pro max, I mean when you are confident with real numbers, you don't need to write these things. But initially, guys, for your comfortability, you guys can write these things. Now let's find out LCM. Do you know LCM? LCM means least common multiple. But to calculate LCM, we take the highest power of common factor. So let's take 2. So this is 2 to power 0 here. 2 to power 0, 2 to power 0. So which will be considered? 2 to power 0, because we are calculating here LCM. Now it's time to take 3. 3 to power 0, 3 to power 1, 3 to power 1. So 3 to power 2 will come, because we are calculating LCM. Now 5 to power 0, 5 to power 0, 5 to power 1. So which will be considered? 5 to power 1. This is the rule. Now solve this. 2 to ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, and this is 5. So this will be 9 5 ja. This is 5 4 ja 20, and 20 into 9 will be 180. And all the times are in minute. So this is also minutes. But my dear champions, the answers are given in hours. And do you know what is mean by 180 minutes? Come on, yaar. If we divide 180 by 60, so the answer will become in hours. So 0 0 cancel, 6 3 ja 18. So the answer is 3 hours. So after 3 hours, all the bells will be tolling with each other. 36? Who is writing 36? If they told together now, after how much time will... Who is writing 36? 36 is not there, bro. Where is 36? LCM, come on. 3 hours. Yes. Hi Aditya, 36 into 5. Yeah, 36 into 5, yeah. Clear everyone? C option. Yes, perfect. C option. Aditya. Hi Aditya. Hi everyone. 36 into 5. Yeah, perfect. Let me check all the comments. I'm Aryan. Okay, we have already talked. Yeah, 36 into... Perfect. Is it clear everyone? So option number C will be correct here. Moving ahead to the next question. Okay, question number 8. So this is very easy question, guys. This is we have two numbers. Let's say this is A and B, same number. HCF is given to you and the question is asking what will be LCM. Very easy, because I have given you the magical formula. The product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of number themselves. Any three informations will be given to you and you have to calculate the fourth one, right? So HCF is 13, very good. LCM we don't know, we have to calculate. And A is what? 26. And B is what? Second number, 169. Very good. So LCM will be equal to 26 into 169 divided by 13, because 13 here is in multiplication. Now it will become in divide form. So 13 will cancel, 13 2 ja 26. So LCM will be, can we please multiply both the numbers? So 9 2 ja 18, carry 1, 6 2 ja 12, 1 13, carry 1, 2 1 ja 2. 3 3 8 is the correct answer. Any option? Option number C will be correct. Good evening, sir. Okay, who is this Mahatma Gandhi, sir? Am I a dancer, bro? Am I a dancer? If you are getting bored now, come on here, you can exit, bro. But don't do this. I can't dance. I can teach you maths only. And I'm not an entertainer. Huh? I'm a teacher, bro. So please, don't suggest me anything, no? Sorry, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Sorry, Bapu. I can't dance for you. Okay. Good evening, sir. Hi. Your name is Kalki. Wow, superb. So option number C is correct. Clear, everyone? I can sing for you. I mean, I know singing song. I can sing for you, but I can't dance for you, bro. So your request has declined. Moving ahead. Question number 9. Okay. The theorem, if A prime P divides A square, then P divides A is used to prove what? Irrationality. If you know how to prove root 5 is irrational number, how to prove root 2 irrational number. So we generally write this step, if you remember. Prove root 5 is an irrational number, prove root 2 is an irrational number. So in irrationality proof, we generally use this term. So the option number B will be correct. Moving ahead, next question. Yes. Next question. Okay. Question number 10. Assertion. So my dear, look at the assertion. 3 plus root 7 is an irrational number. Yes, obviously, because 3 is a rational number. Okay. And root 7 is an irrational number. And do you know, when we add rational with irrational, the result comes as irrational. This is correct. So assertion is obviously correct. The sum of rational and irrational is always irrational. So assertion is correct. Okay, look at the region. The sum of rational number and, oh, wow, region is also correct. And region is completely explaining the assertion. The sum of rational, for example, 4 plus root 7. Yes, it is also an irrational number because 4 is rational, root 7 is irrational, so rational plus irrational is irrational. And region is saying same statement. So both A and R true, both A and R true, and R explains A. Option number A will be correct. I will go with option number. Sir, song. Okay. Okay, at the end of the session, when I will be reaching to the last question, I will definitely sing a song for you. Everyone, class 10th Titans, promise. Stay here. But the condition is you have to stay here in live class. Till the end, everyone. Oh yeah, don't spam, bro. Who is this? Kalki, bhai, don't do this, bro. Please. Okay, moving to the next question. So my dear champion, the question that we have solved here in this slides, answers are already given here, so I am providing you answers also. Moving ahead, section B and section B contain all subjective and descriptive questions. So look at the question number this. Question number 11. So question number 11 is prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational given that root 5 is irrational. So root 5 is irrational. This is given to you. This information is given to you. And we have to prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is also an irrational. It is given. What is given here? Given. What is given here, champions? Given information is root 5 is an irrational. Right, everyone? An irrational number. It is given that root 5 is an irrational number, and we have to prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is also an irrational. So let's prove this. Let's prove this, everyone. Okay, so basically such questions we solve by contradiction method. There is a method in maths which is called contradiction method. So let's apply contradiction method, okay, by using contradiction method. Now solution start from here. Okay, solution start from here. Let's assume 3 plus 2 root 5, 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Let's assume, we all know it is not a rational number. We all know. Everyone knows that. This is not a rational number. But as we have to prove mathematically that it is an irrational number, so we have to start the solution from this statement. Let's assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. And if you have assumed 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number, it implies that it can be written as 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to a by b. Or you can write p by q, x by y, whatever you want to do, you can as per your wish. So a by b. Now take 3 that side, so a by b and minus 3. Positive 3 will become negative 3. Now look, 2 root 5, can we take LCM here? On taking LCM, this will become b, so this will be a minus 3b. Right, everyone? Now look, 2 is in multiplication with root 5, so 2 will go there. So if 2 will go there, the equation, the format will look like 2 will be divided, so a minus 3b divided by 2b. Oh my God. Now look at the right side and look at the left side. So my dear students, right side, this entire right side is a rational number because a by b was rational number. And if we are doing calculation, mathematical operation, so the result will be obviously rational. But if you look at root 5 is irrational. Oh my God. Right hand side is rational and left hand side is irrational. And both are equal to each other, which is not possible. It is violating the rule of maths. A rational number can't be equal to an irrational number. Yes, my dear champion. So it is contradicting. It is contradicting our assumption. Our assumption was this 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. That's why it has occurred. This contradiction has occurred. So it is contradicting our assumption that 3 plus, contradicting our assumption that a rational number can't be equal to an irrational number. So 3 plus 2 root 5 has to be what? An irrational number. Because why this contradiction is occurred? Because of our assumption. Our assumption was 3 plus root 5 is a rational number, and that's why this contradiction has occurred. So it can't be rational number, so it has to be irrational number. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Class 10th? Dear, clear, everyone? If you all are enjoying the session, come on here, do let me know in chat section. At least I deserve this from you guys. Give me thumbs up, everyone. Come on, do this. Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up, guys. Give me thumbs up, everyone. Moving ahead to the next question. Look at question number 12. Sir, I have doubt. Rishabh is asking something. Sir, I have doubt 1 by cos c. 1 by cos c is equal to... Are you Gen Z? I know, bro. Oh no, sorry. You are alpha. That's why you are asking this question. By the way, let me write 1 by cos c is equal to... Okay, bro. 1 by cos c is equal to this. Okay, how sweet of you guys, everyone. Okay, so question number 12. An army contingent of 617 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the number of columns in which they can march? Very good question. Very good question. So basically the question is, an army contingent of 616 members. Okay, there are 616 members, and they have to march behind an army band. And army band are having 32 members. Army band of 32 members, and total army 617 members are there. Okay, the two groups are to march in the same number of column. Okay, there should be two groups and they should go in same number of column. Number of column should be same. Okay, what is the maximum number of column in which they can march? Come on yaar. So we are looking for a number which can divide this and this. Yes, we are looking for a common number which can divide that value and that value. So that is HCF. So let's calculate HCF, because the question is asking what is the maximum number of column in which they can march. So we want a common number, common value which can divide this, which can divide this. So that will be HCF. Clear everyone? So find out HCF. So let's write 616 and we have 32. So 616 can be written as, can we take LCM of 616 to write the prime factorization? So 2 2 3 ja, and this is 2. Okay, again 2, 1 15 2 ja 30, and this is 4. Again 2, again 2, again 2, again 2, again no 3, and now 3. So 616 can be written as how many 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 to power 6 into how many 3? 3 to power square, right? And 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16, 16 to ja 32. So this will be 2 to power 5. And what we are looking for? We are looking for HCF. So HCF will be, I hope you know HCF. HCF means what? The product of common factors, but a smallest power. 3 is there, but 3 is not present here. So we can write 3 to power 0. If any number is missing, if any number is present in prime factor of first, but that is missing in prime factor of second, you guys can put 0. 3 to power 0. Yes, so that you can take comfortably common. So for HCF, we have to take the least power. So 2 to power 6, 2 to power 5. What will be the least? Least will be 2 to power 5. Clear? And 3 to power 2 and 3 to power 0. What will be least? 3 to power 0. Right? So 3 to power 0 is obviously a 1. So we don't need to write over there, because 3 to power 0 is obviously a 1, so we can ignore that value. So can we please solve this? So this is equal to 2 to ja 4 to ja 8, 2 to ja 4 to ja 8 to ja 16 to ja 32. Who is this? Yes, HCF will be there. Abhijit, hi Abhijit. 152 by 270. 152. Oh, any mistake is there? No, is it correct? Now 2 33, 2 to the 3, 2 3 ja 6, 0 and 2 8 ja. Then 2 1 5 4 will come. Then 2 2 7 ja 14 and 2. Ah, that's why the answer is not matching. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, there is a silly mistake there in calculation. When we do calculation in very fastly, sometimes happens this. Yeah, thank you so much, Abhijit. You know, when you do calculation very fastly, it happens. Correct. 77 should be there. Yeah, agree. Firmly agree with you. Thank you so much for reminding me. Yeah, so this is there. Correct. So 2 15 and this is 4. And again 2 7 ja 14 and 1. Yeah, correct. So this is all about. Right, so 77 is a prime number. So yeah, we can take by 11, not a prime composite. So this is 7, and we can say 7 also. If we take 7 here, don't take direct 11. 11 is a big number. Select the smaller number. So 11 and 11 will be. This is correct format. So it can be written as 2 to power 3 into 7 into 11. Now what we are looking for? 7 is there, so we can put 7 to power 0 here. 11 is there, 11 is absent there, we can put 3 is 0, so 3 is 0 over there. Okay, so we need to remove this 3 because we don't require now, we don't require 3 here, so we can directly ignore that value. Into 7 to power 0 into 11 to power 0. Now HCF will be the product of least power. So common, 2 is common, but we require least. 2 to power 3, 2 to power 3 is the least. So HCF is equal to 8. This is the answer. And what is the maximum number of column in which they can match? So the maximum number of column will be 8. So please write down, the final answer should be there in words. After getting the result, please make sure to write the final answer in word. Don't leave the answer as it is. The question is asking find the maximum number of column. So maximum, after getting the result, please write down in words. Maximum number of column is what? 8. This is the answer. Clear everyone? Who is this? Hi sir. Hi MD Faizan. Hi Abhijit. Yeah Abhijit, you are correct there. Thank you so much. Wisdom of Ayurveda. Why you are writing question mark again and again? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Moving ahead. Question number 13. Yes, who can do this question? Is there anyone who can solve this question? Anyone? Question number 13. Sonia takes 18 minutes to complete one round of a circular path while Ravi takes 12 minutes. So basically the question is, there is a circular track. Two persons are there, Sonia and Ravi. Sonia is starting cycling from this point and she is taking a complete round in 18 minutes. So basically Sonia is taking 18 minutes to make complete one round. Okay, and there is one more guy, Ravi. Ravi is also starting from same point. Ravi is also starting from same point and Ravi is taking 12 minutes to make a complete round, same circle. And if they both start at the same point at the same time and go in the same direction, let's say they are going in the same direction, both are going in same direction, after how much time will they meet again? Come on yaar, use your common sense. After how much time they will meet again? So we are looking for a number which is greater than these two numbers. We are looking for a number which is greater than these two numbers. Because if they both are individually completing one circle in 18 minutes and 12 minutes respectively, so after how much time they will be meeting again? Obviously the number will be greater than these two numbers. So indirectly we are looking for LCM. You can use your concept. I mean, what we are looking for, either we want to calculate HCF or we want to calculate LCM. You have to decide it first. So after how much minutes will they meet again at the starting point? So that time will be greater than these two times. And if we are looking for a number which is greater than these two numbers, and that will be obviously LCM. So here in this question we have to calculate LCM. Getting my point? So word problem, most of the students generally stuck in word problem questions. I found it every year. I saw this every year. Most of the students struggle in word problem questions in real numbers. Read the question carefully. Yeah, hi everyone. Who is this? Sir, it important to start prime factorization with the smallest number. Yeah, it is not mandatory, but it looks good, Faizan. It looks good. According to maths rule, it looks good. Otherwise, if you start from bigger number, the answer will remain as it is. But as per the rule in maths, better to select the smaller number first. Who is this? Bhargav. Bhargav, what is your real name, bro? Joy Zubinda. Who is Joy Zubinda? Jubin. He was a great singer. I think he died now when he was on holidays, I mean in out of country. You're talking about that Jubin who sang that song, na? Ali. Yeah, Ali. I think, if I'm not wrong. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm PPT maker unit people. Oh God. All the people are coming in live. Is it clear? Piyush, don't do these things. Focus on question instead. Bro, Asparsh, I got your message, yaar. Please don't spam, bro. Thank you. Guys, you have understood why we are looking for LCM? Who have understood it? Come on. Please let me know your name, please, in chat section. Yes, sir. Please let me know. Come on, champions. Why we are looking for LCM? The student who have understood the explanation that I have explained few moments ago, please let me know in chat section. Yes, sir, I have understood. Yes, sir. Yeah, I remember that song. Now I am able to recall that song. Thank you. Kirtik, hi Kirtik. Okay, let's do this. So we need to calculate here LCM. So to find out the LCM, we need to do prime factorization. So the 18 prime factorization will be what? 2 into 3 square. 3 square 9, 9 into 2 is 18, and 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12. And for LCM, what we need to do? LCM is what? Product of common factor. Product of common factor with highest power. In LCM we take lowest power, but in HCF we take lowest power. But if we are finding here LCM, we have to take product of highest power, just opposite. Come on yaar. If you are calculating HCF, take lowest power. If you are calculating LCM, take highest power. So product of common factor with highest power. So my dear champion, what will be the product of highest power? So let's 2. Here is 2. 2 to power 1, 2 to power 2. So 2 to power 2 will be considered. Now in 3, 3 to power 2, 3 to power 1, 3 to power 2 will be considered, because we are calculating here LCM. So 2 to power 4, 3 to power 9, and 9 into 4, 36 minutes. So this is the answer, 36 minutes. This is the answer. So after 36 minutes, they both will be meeting again on circular path. Yes, sir. Sadhana. Hi, Sadhana. Welcome to Diksha Vedantu's platform. Hi, everyone. Class 10th Titans. Hello to all warriors. Sir, one more time repeat this question. Okay. Hi, Sanjay is asking. Okay, Sanjay, let me explain this question again. So basically, there is a circular path and 2 persons are there, Sonia and Ravi. Sonia is taking 18 minutes to complete this one round. Completing one round, she is taking 18 minutes. And one more guy, Ravi is her brother. So Ravi is taking 12 minutes to complete the same circular track. Sonia is taking 18 minutes and Ravi is taking 12 minutes to complete the circular track. And the both are, if they start from same point, they both are starting from this point in the same direction. So the question is asking here, go in the same direction. After how many minutes they will be meet again at the starting point? Now use your common sense. The question is asking after how many times, after how many minutes they will be meeting again. So my dear champion, their meeting time will be greater than these 2 times, because these times are the individual timings. Sonia is taking 18 minutes individually, Ravi is taking 12 minutes individually. But the question is asking when they will be meeting again. So we are looking for a number which will be greater than these 2 numbers, and this is what? LCM. Common number which can be divided by this, which can be divided by this, because we want to meet. We want that both will be meeting each other. So to again meet up, to get the meet up again, we required LCM, and LCM will be the greater than these 2 numbers. HCF always less than the numbers, and LCM is always greater than the numbers. Is it clear? So getting the LCM, we can get the answer. Hi everyone. So someone is asking that Vishwam Pandit sir, one vehicle is taking 18 minutes and other 15 minutes, 16 minutes. Yes, you can, if 3 vehicles are there and you want to meet, I mean if you want get that all the vehicles should be meeting again LCM, because we are looking for a common number which will be divisible, which can be divided by 3, 18 minutes, 15 minutes and 16 minutes that you are asking. So again you have to calculate LCM. Come on. Okay, sorry Nandini, sorry. Thank you so much for confirmation. Yeah, Nandini. Is it clear, Nandini? Sanjay, is it clear, Sanjay? Thank you so much. If you guys are enjoying the session, come on, yeah, do let me know and give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up in chat section. And I'm pretty much sure that you have already subscribed the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, come on yaar, do and subscribe the channel first, because this channel is dedicatedly designed for our class 10th board champions, board student. And I'm sure that you have already hit the like button also. And if you haven't pressed the like button, go and press the like button first. Come on, everyone, do this for your sir. Come on, do. I'm waiting for your response. Yes sir, I have done. Come on, do this. Press the like button, everyone. Clear? 36 minutes is the answer. Moving ahead, next question. Yes. Okay, I understand that question. Who is there? Very good. Perfect. Very good. Hi everyone. Yes, who can solve this question? Question number 15. Tell me. Is there anyone who can solve this question comfortably? Anyone is there? Thanks, sir. Come on, yaar. Very easy question. I'm looking at the chat section. Is there anyone who can solve this question comfortably? Very easy question. Come on, yaar. You have to decide first whether you have to calculate here LCM and you need to find, or you need to find HCF. What you need to calculate? HCF and LCM. HCF or LCM. You have to decide first, because this question is just LCM and HCF. But decision will be of yours. Decision is of yours. Vishwam, thanks sir. Yes, anyone is there who can solve these questions comfortably? No one. No one is there. Oh, yeah, very easy question, huh? Okay, look at the question. A library has 96 English books. Okay, how many books English? Of English? English is of 96. Okay, Hindi, how many books of Hindi? Hindi we have is 240. And how many books of mathematics? So, mathematics we have is 336. Okay. They have to be stacked so that each stack has books of only one subject and every stack has the same number of books. Wow, what a question. Yes, but you call me student. Next question. Okay, yeah, this is the next question, Nandini. Okay, so the question, we have three types of books. English book, 96 English books are there, 240 Hindi books are there, and 336 mathematics books are there. And we have to stack. You know stacking? When we arrange the books, when we keep the books all together in our study room and all, I mean in systematically, stacking, this is called stacking. When we keep books one by one on top of one each other. Okay, so the question is, they have to be stacked so that each stack has books of only one subject, okay? And every stack has the same number of books. Oh my God. We are looking for, I mean, the condition is every stack has same number of books. So we are looking for a number. We are looking for a number which can divide both. Yes, who is this? Vishwam. Thanks, sir. Nandini, yes. Abhijit HCF, and Nandini is writing LCM. Is there any confusion, guys? Very easy question. So here we have to calculate. Let me clear. Okay. Presenting you here, we have to calculate HCF because we are looking that every stack has the same number of book. So we are looking for a number which can divide this, which can divide this, and which can divide this, and that is obviously HCF. HCF is the number which can divide this. So my dear champion, here you have to calculate HCF. Who is this? Sir, wait, I can solve first, you will explain. I can solve first, then you will explain. Okay, solve, come on. I am waiting little while for you. Okay, I am waiting. Okay, everyone try this. Come on. And give me correct answer for this question. Give me correct answer. And in this question, two questions we have to solve. The question is asking. First question is, find the number of books in each stack and the minimum number of stacks. Two things we have to calculate. Okay, everyone do this, come on. So to calculate, to find out the HCF, you have to do prime factorization first of all the numbers. So 96 can be written as, how? 96 little big number, so you can take LCM. Otherwise we can write 2 into 48, and 48 can be written as 2 into 24, and 24 can be written as 3 into 8, and 8 can be written as 2 into 2. So let's do this. 2 to ja 4 to ja 8 to ja 16 to ja 32, and 32 3 ja 96 if I'm not wrong. Come on, check it once. 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16, 16 to ja 32, and 32 into 6, 32 ja, wow. Without taking LCM, we can write the numbers. Okay, so this is all about, so we can write again in proper form as per the rule. So how many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 to power 5 into 3. Clear, everyone? Now 240. So 240 can be written as 2 into 120, and 120 will be 3 into 40. So let's take LCM here, bro. I don't have a lot of time. So 2 120, 2 60, 2 30, 2 15, 3 5, 5 1. So 240 will be how many 2? 1 2 3 4. So I'm directly writing in proper format. 2 to power 4. How many 2's are there? Only 1, 3 into 5. Now 336. So let's take LCM here. I'm taking LCM here of 336. So 2, so this will be 15 to the 30, and okay, 16 to the 32, and this is 8. 2 8 ja and 2 4 ja. 2, this is 42. 2, this is 21. 3, this is 7. 7, this is 1, right? So 336 can be written as 2 to power 4 into 3 into 7. Now what we are looking for? We are looking for HCF. So my dear champions, HCF will be what? The product of common factors with least power. Common factor of least power. So 2 to power 5, 2 to power 4, 2 to power 4. So 2 to power 4 will be considered, because 2 to power 4 is the least, smallest. Now let's take 3. 3, 3, 3. So 3 will be considered. Now here is 5, but 5 is not there. So we can assume 5 to power 0. Here is 5 to power 0. So which will be least? 5 to power 0. So we can ignore. Similarly 7. 7 to power 0. 7 to power 0. We can ignore 7. So now we have, this is the HCF. Let's solve this. So 2 to ja 4 to ja 8 to ja 16. 16 into 3 will be 48. 48. Oh my God. This is the total number of books in each stack, right? Total number of books in each stack will be what? 48. 48. Now what will be the minimum number of stacks? Come on yaar. If this is the total number of books in one stack, so what should be the, I mean, how many stacks should be there? What should be the number of stacks to make the stack of these books? So let's divide now. 96 books are there total English, and in one stack we can place 48 books. So for 96, how many stacks are required? 2 stacks. So let's divide. Number of stacks required. Number of stacks required. So what will be the result? 96 divided by 48 plus this is 240 divided by, and this is confirmed that this number can divide all these three, because this is HCF. This is HCF, so it can divide all the numbers. So 96, 48 plus 336 divided by 48. Now solve this. So 48 can cancel 96 by 2 times. 48 can cancel this by 8 5 ja 40, 5 carry, 5. 48 into 5, 8 4 ja 40, 5 times. And 48 can cancel this how many times? Can we please check it once? 48 into 12. 48 into 12. So this is 96, this is 48, 6, 9, 8, 7, and this is No, we are getting, sorry, this is 48 and that is 48 into 6. What will be the number? 48 into 6. So 8 6 are 48, carry 4, 6 4 are 24, 24 and 28. What is there? 336 is there, no? Yeah, 336. So let's do one by one, don't worry. So we can write here 24 to ja, and this is 16, 8. And now it can cancel, again do this, 12, and this will be, right, now cancel, 12 7 ja. So 7 times it can cancel, 48 can cancel, yeah, 8 7 ja 56 is there, I was forgetting the value. So this is 2 plus 5 plus 7, so how many stacks we required? 7 plus 12, 12 by 2, 14, 14 stacks, this is the answer. So we have two answers. In each stack, 48 books will be there, and how many stacks we required? 14 stacks we required. I am for Chaitanya Technical School, very good. Is it clear, everyone? How many books will be there in one stack? 48 books will be there. And how many stacks we required? 14 stacks will be required. Find the greatest number and divide. Very easy question, bro. Sir, I solved, but my answer is not correct. I hope you have matched the answer from this solution. Nandini, your doubt is clear now, Nandini? Come on, confirm me in chat section. Each one of you is important for me. Each single student is important for me. Yes. I hope you guys have pressed the like button of this live session. Come on here, do this. Moving to the next question. Okay, so this is case study based question, and I'm giving this question for your homework, everyone. And this question is as per the new CBSE pattern for CBSE case study. Look, there is a traffic light at 3 different and crossings changes after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. If they all change simultaneously at 7 a.m., then at what time they will be changed together again? So we are calculating here LCM because we are looking for the time after this. So the time will be greater than these. So of course the number will be LCM because we are looking for a number after this. So the number which is greater than these 3 number will be obviously LCM. I hope. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Anyone is having any kind of doubt, please do let me know. So my dear champion, thank you so much for having me. But everyone, one very important information for you all. I would say good news. I would say good news for all the class 10th students. Big opportunity is on the way for you. So grasp this opportunity. I know you guys are getting excited to know, sir, what is this good news? So let me show you. So basically, Vedantu had launched a very important, very, I would say very beneficial, very platform. And this is basically, look, my dear champion, so you need to go to our YouTube channel, our official YouTube channel. Just wait, I'm showing you what is a surprise for you. So on our official YouTube channel, Diksha Vedantu, for example, my live is going on. This is my live session. If you click here, is basically, so let me pause this first. Okay. So if you click on this, my dear champions, in description, 2 links will be there. Can you see these 2 links? Join the free class 10 CBSE course now. My dear, this course is, this platform is designed by Vedantu team, Vedantu faculty member as per the new CBSE pattern. You don't need to go anywhere to solve the competency based questions, to get the clarity of CBSE board exam as per the new pattern of CBSE. So just stick with us, join this session. Let me show you. Just click on this. On clicking on this link that is given in description, this interface will open in front of you, and CBSE class 10th prime course, and these are the features. Live classes by top master teachers. Stay consistent with weekly assignments. Lot of things will be given to you. Weekly assignments, formula sheet, competency based questions. If you ask to your seniors, the student who is in 11th class now, they gave their board exam in previously, the last board exam. So if you go and ask what was the level of maths question paper, it was really challenging. Not difficult because of the calculation. It was really little bit challenging because of the lengthy questions were there. In a single question, there were a lot of multiple concepts. So to get all those things, overcome to all those things, to get prepared for board exam that is coming on the way, my dear, this course is absolutely exclusively designed for you all. So without any delay, join this session, because you will be getting a lot of study material. Your each and every doubts will be cleared. This is my promise to you all. You don't need to buy any multiple book. You don't need to buy any different type of academic resources. You don't need to go here and there different websites, scrolling videos on YouTube. Come on, yeah, stick with us. This will be enough for you. And I'm not telling these things randomly. We have proved in last year. If you go and see our achievers, look, this is the result. CBSE class 10th result. Look, Soumya Jha, she scored 99.6%, bro. Aryan Dost, 99.4%. Anvita Mathur, 99.4. Atulya Agarwal, 99.4. So result speaks. Ultimately, result speaks. So data is showing in front of you guys. So without any delay, come on here, go, hit the link and proceed with this course, my dear champion. This is absolutely for you all. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for coming in the live session. And so till then, bye-bye everyone. Take care of yourself, take care of your parents, and we'll be meeting again in next live session. Thank you so much. Bye-bye everyone.